Hello and welcome to another Pygame tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to wrap up all the thing we make in a whole this tutorial and see a last scene of our tutorial what we make and talk about what we are going to do after this. So first of all, let's see what we make in this short tutorial of Pygame. So here is a game what we make, and I think this is a pretty good startup of game for everybody who do not know anything about Pygame. If you don't know anything about Pygame, it's a better start for you. Make another game like this. Same idea of this game has implemented many type of games, so you can make. Okay, and today I'm going to make it more functionality so that user can interact with it. One thing I want to add is I want to add a text when the player is died so that the user can or gamer can understand that the player is died. Okay, so here I'm going to do is take this whole show scope and put it right here. Okay, and highlight this and control tab. Okay, and here I'm going to change the text. I'm going to write you die next time, be aware of blades. Okay, so that user can understand he had died, or it must be interactive for the user. Okay, so here I'm going to do common sense ms and then this whole thing. Okay, so if I run now and I wait till the player going to be died so that we can see a text appearing on the screen. Okay, so there's a problem here. The position is wrong, so I'm going to give it 100, and this is going to be height divided by 2, so it is approx in the middle of the screen. And also I want one more thing that okay, just run it. Wait for the player going to die. You die next time, be aware of the blades. Okay, also one more thing, I'm going to wait for 3 seconds so that it take a time for the play to understand it must die, and give it a color of red, so it must take the uh, player mind. Okay, one more thing I want to do is I want to split the image, so I'm going to do game display dot blade, and here I load an image in a variable game over dot image, which I take from my Flappy Bird game. Okay, so this image I'm going to split it on 500 comma uh, 300, and now I want to run it. And you can add many things. There's infinite outcome, infinite possibilities. You can add many things. You can add animation of like birds, or the animation of many things. Oh shit, I don't die, it's my mistake. Okay, and many other things you can add here. You can add height here, you can add a menu. Okay, and after this tutorial I'm going to make another game which contain more functionality. Or you can, I will take it to the top. Okay, so here I'm going to do to give it in Y position. I'm going to do it 100, so it will be in top. You can add many things. Okay, so there are many functionality, add that, and if you find interesting, well, let me know in the comment section, and we are going to make another game any other functionalities from this, and it will be another advanced game. Ultimately we are going to be advanced technology. So now it looking good, and it's a better thing. Okay, so this is best for the tutorial, and I'm going to see you in another Pygame tutorial in which we make an advanced game from this. So better you watch. Okay, bye bye.